I don't think it's only talent, but by talent, I think we mean a creative spark in an individual. And that is something I think that cannot be taught. But if you have that creative spark, then of course talent needs to be honed, especially for an actor, because an actor's instrument is himself. You know, a pianist has a piano, or a painter has his canvas and his tools, but what does the actor have? He just has this, his body, his voice, his imagination. And that can be honed and should be honed, because I think otherwise that creative spark can just get scattered. When I talk about a professional course, what I would refer to is a course which is of a certain duration. You know, there are a lot of courses, especially in Bombay, because it's the home of Bollywood, which pass off as professional courses. But, you know, what do you learn in 3 months? You know, in 3 months or 4 months, even 6 months. You will just about get comfortable, you know, just start opening up. But to actually learn something, and to call it a professional course, it needs a period of time. And therefore, according to me, at Whistling Woods, we have a 2-year program. And I think that's the minimum that you need to prepare someone to go out in a fierce industry. In terms of how a professional course prepares you, of course it does, because you learn everything from scratch. You know, you learn how to open yourself up, to get rid of inhibitions. You work on your voice, you work on your body, you work on your pure craft. You understand, especially in cinema, you know, you understand the elements of cinema. So, you know, you can't just go onto a set and unfortunately, because the competition is so fierce, you'll just get eaten up if you go onto a set and know nothing. So a professional course prepares you for that. And because it's a professional course, what's great is it's taught by professionals. You know, even at Whistling Woods, the faculty is made up of people who have worked, you know, who have experienced being actors or being directors, and know what the business is about. So when they're teaching you to prepare you for this business. And that's something that if you're serious about the profession, you should do.